Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be using the new Anastasia palette. I think it is so gorgeous. So if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. As always, I'm going to apply some concealer on my eyelid, and this one is the Moira Cosmetics Mega Waterproof Concealer. I'm just going to blend that in with a blending brush, and then we'll get started. Next, I want a really sharp edge, so I'm just going to apply some tape. You can skip this part if you don't want to. Then I'm going to be picking up this brush by Lamora Beauty, and I'm going to pick up this first shade right here, and I'm going to apply that on the edge and just drag it into the crease. Now, I like to take a little bit of product at a time, and I like to slowly build up my colors. And I'm just going to very lightly apply this and just continue to build it up until it's to the intensity that I desire. Now I'm just going to fast forward this part, but I'm going to leave it in so you guys can see the process. Next, I'll be picking up the shade called Big Wig on this Lamora Beauty crease brush, and I'm going to start to blend out this brown shade. Now with small circular motions and a very light hand, I'm just going to buff it upward. So as you can see here, I'm just taking a little bit of product at a time, and I'm just going to go back and forth and continue to blend out this edge. Next, I'm going to be taking this Alicia Edwards palette, and we're just going to use one of the shades from here. I really like this color Unicorn Tribe, so I'm going to take a little bit on this brush, and I'm just going to continue to buff out this edge. And if you don't have that palette, then obviously you can just use anything you'd like, or you can just skip this step. So I'm just going to continue to blend out. I really like to take my time with this because blending is a process. Next, I will be creating a sort of a halo spotlight eye. So I'm just going to take some of that same concealer, and I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid. And you notice I look up a little bit. It kind of gives me a guideline, kind of parallel to my natural crease line. You can take this as high up as you want and pretty much shape it however you prefer. And once it's to your desired shape here, I'm just going to smooth out the excess concealer because I like to have a nice flat base. And with the edges, I kind of just smudge it with my fingers a little bit. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade Trust Issues on a flat brush, and I'm just going to apply this on the center and the very top portion of the cut crease. I did not set it with anything, I just went directly in with the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this part, but I'm going to leave it in so you guys can see what it looks like. Next, I'm going to be picking up the shade called Sponsored, and I'm going to apply this right next to the first shade that we applied on the edge of my lid and the front portion of it as well. Next, just to blend it together, I'm going to be applying a little bit of that shade Big Wig and that brown shade that we applied. And next, let's go ahead and remove this tape. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be applying Credit closest to my waterline, and then I'm going to blend it out with the purple Big Wig shade. For mascara, I'll be using this black Icon mascara by Il Makiage. And for lashes, these are Lily lashes called Mink Hollywood. So this completes the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time.